In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to quickly free up a lot of storage space on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch a Settings app. Click on your Apple ID. Navigate to the option iCloud. Now open Photos to enable optimized iPhone storage so your device keeps smaller photo versions and saves space. Now head back to the main page of Settings. Navigate to the option General. Click on iPhone Storage to see what's using the most space. At the very top, you're going to find the breakdown: Photos, Application, Messages, System Data, and iOS. First, launch Messages. Now click on the option Review Large Attachments and delete anything you don't need. Then head back to Settings. Navigate to the option Apps from the list of apps by Safari and launch it. Now scroll down, you're going to find the option of Remove All Website Data. Click on that. Check in for all history. Toggle on for the option Close all tabs and confirm it. Now return back to the iPhone storage and offload heavy apps like TikTok or Instagram. Then reinstall them to remove cache data and also delete apps you no longer use by sorting them by last used date. Now head back to the main page of Settings. Navigate to the option Apple Intelligence and Siri. Disable for the option of Apple Intelligence. Now open Photos app, go to Utilities and merge duplicate photos, then empty the recently deleted album to permanently free space. Next, open Files, check Downloads and delete unwanted files. Then clear recently deleted there as well. Finally, force restart your iPhone by pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears to help clear temporary system cache. And that's it. These steps will help you quickly reclaim a lot of storage space on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.